Here's how to transfer your telephone number from AT&T. AT&T is one of the largest and most popular telecom service providers in the United States, offering a range of plans and services to suit different budgets. Recent issues of the company have prompted some of the users to consider switching providers. Fortunately, this process is straightforward. You can carry your old contact number to another provider and have an option to either stick with the old phone or buy a new one. Moreover, you can also port your mobile number so that there won't be much hassle in communication. Here's how to port your phone number. When you port your number, make sure that the new provider offers services in your area, since the providers cannot transfer inactive numbers, so keep the old line active. However, for the process, the new service provider will require access to your personal information, including your account number and associated phone numbers. Additionally, they'll ask for a transfer PIN code to begin the process. AT&T customers can find their PIN in the following ways. Call from your mobile device. Call *PORT. The company will provide you with the PIN. Using the AT&T app, use the provider's app on Android and iOS devices by first opening the AT&T app and selecting More. Now select Manage Profile. Pick People and Permission, go to Transfer Phone Number, and click Request New PIN. Get a transfer PIN through an online AT&T account. You can also get a transfer PIN through your online profile. Simply sign into your AT&T account and go to People and Permission. Click on Wireless, then go to Transfer Phone Number. Click on Request a New PIN and it appears on your screen. The PIN will expire 4 days after AT&T receives the request. Turn off Wireless Account Lock. To transfer your number, turn off your wireless account lock. First off, sign into the app and select Mobile Security. Click AT&T Wireless Account Lock and tap Continue. Select the account you want unlocked and swipe right. As per the Federal Communications Commission, you can also make and receive calls on your mobile device while your number is being ported. Porting a wireless number doesn't take much time, but it could take a few days if any issue arises. Moreover, there is a chance some companies may charge you to port a number. However, you can bargain with the provider or ask to waive the fee.